Ever wondered why you feel so tired after a long flight, or why your energy levels seem so low? It's a common phenomenon that most travelers experience, yet few understand. This post-flight fatigue, more commonly known as jet lag, isn't just about the lack of sleep or the discomfort of the journey. It's much deeper than that, rooted in the very rhythm of our bodies. Our bodies operate on a 24-hour cycle known as the circadian rhythm. This internal clock tells us when to sleep, when to wake up, and when to eat. Traveling across different time zones throws this rhythm off balance, causing our bodies to feel out of sync. The result? Fatigue, sleep disorders, and even digestive issues. So how can you reset this biological clock and get back to feeling like yourself again? There's a natural remedy that might just hold the answer. It's called earthing. Stay tuned. Earthing, also known as grounding, is a therapeutic technique that focuses on realigning your body's electrical energy by reconnecting it to the earth. Now let's break this down into simpler terms. When we fly, we're in an environment filled with positive ions and our bodies absorb these. This ion imbalance can lead to fatigue, jet lag, and a general feeling of being out of sync. So, where does earthing come in? Well, our planet is brimming with negative ions. When we make direct contact with the Earth, we absorb these negative ions which neutralize the positive ions accumulated in our bodies, restoring our natural balance. Think of it as a detox for your bioelectric system, a way to cleanse yourself of the positive ion overload from flight, and the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a special skill set. So how do you practice earthing? It's simpler than you think. Practicing earthing is as simple as spending time barefoot outdoors. Whether it's walking on the beach, strolling through a park, or even just sitting in your backyard with your feet on the grass. This simple act connects you with the Earth's natural electrical field, harmonizing your energy and fighting off fatigue. Now what if you're in an urban jungle with no easy access to nature? No worries. Today we have earthing mats and sheets to the rescue. These products are designed to simulate the effects of direct contact with the Earth, allowing you to reap the benefits of earthing, right in the comfort of your home or office. And let's not forget, earthing isn't just for jet lag. It's a fantastic daily habit to keep your energy levels balanced and your body functioning at its best. Next time you're feeling wiped out after a long trip, remember to ground yourself. You may be surprised by the energy boost. Isn't it fascinating how a simple connection with the Earth can rejuvenate us? Our world is rich with natural remedies, waiting to be unearthed. They're an integral part of our holistic health. Earthing is just one of many, a simple solution to a modern problem. So let's embark on this journey together, uncovering the magic of nature, one remedy at a time. If you found this interesting, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Together we can journey towards better health.